to show you how to make this cool nature wand. Okay, so we were gonna need a stick. I like this one because it's thicker at the bottom and it gets thinner at the top. It looks kind of cool, like a wand. You're gonna need like some flowers. I only have one flower, and that's okay. And I have this cool pine needle leaf thingy that I found outside. You can use blades of grass or I don't know, just like some cool leafy, natural nature, pretty things that you find outside that you like. And then I have some tape. You don't absolutely need the tape, but it's a little bit helpful. And then I have some string. I have this pretty sparkly silvery string and just this green yarn. So to start, I'm gonna take a piece of tape, just a little one, because you don't want it to be too thick. This is just here to kind of help us so that we don't have to hold this on while we're wrapping the yarn around. So I'm just gonna kind of tape this pretty flower right here. That's where I want it to be. And then I'm gonna do the same with this. I take a little piece of tape and I want this a little bit further down, maybe right there, and I'll tape it. Make sure that it's not too chunky. Okay, that's good enough. And then I'm gonna take the silver string I'm gonna start with, and I'm gonna cut off a piece about that long. It doesn't really matter how long, it's all up to you. And I'm gonna start off by just tying a knot, and I want the tail to be kind of long so that I can kind of lay it on here, and then I'm gonna wrap the thread around it so that you can't see it. So I'm just gonna start wrapping this around. Okay, so if you see right here, I've gotten to where these leaves start, and I don't want to wrap up the leaves, so I'm going to very carefully start wrapping underneath where the leaves are. And this is going to be kind of hard, but we just have to do it really slow and carefully. See, I've started wrapping underneath the leaves. And it's okay if you want it to show some of the branch underneath. That could be kind of a cool look. It's okay if you do that. It's all up to you because this is your magic nature wand. Now, I've gotten to the part where the tape is, and this is getting really short, so I'm going to tie it about here. So you're gonna wrap it around a little bit loosely and then tie a knot. And then I'm going to trim it just a little bit. And then I have this tail like we did at the beginning, and I can get my other color yarn and wrap around that tail. So we're just gonna do exactly what we did at the beginning. We're gonna tie a knot, we're gonna have a little bit of a tail, and we're gonna wrap around the tail. And I've gotten to the point where I think I'm gonna start wrapping underneath. Instead of wrapping around the flower, I'm gonna wrap just this stick underneath. And I think actually, I'm just gonna do this really loosely right here. And then I'm gonna tie it at the top. So I tied a knot at the end, and now I'm just gonna cut that right there. And this is what it looks like.